Hello, and welcome back to English with Wolfizzle, the only place on the internet where we throw the dusty old textbooks out the window and learn to speak real, natural, beautiful English. I am your host, Professor Wolfizzle. Today, we are talking about something that is in everyone's pocket, but often causes a lot of stress. Money. How do we save it? How do we spend it? And how do we talk about it in English? Joining me today is our new guest, Leila. How are you, Leila?
Hi, Professor. Hello, Wolfpack. I am doing great, thank you. To be honest, I am very excited about this topic because I love finding ways to save a few dollars here and there. I think it's a very empowering topic for everyone to learn.
I agree. Knowing how to manage your money gives you a lot of freedom. Leila, in English, we have a very common expression for someone who is careful with money. We say they are frugal.
Frugal? That's an interesting word. Some people might think it means being cheap, right?
You are right, but there is a big difference. Cheap is usually negative. It means you don't want to spend money even when you should. But frugal means you are smart. You prioritize your spending on things that are important and avoid wasting money on things that aren't.
I love that. So, Wolfpack, let's learn how to be frugal together.
To waste money.
To afford something.
To be broke.
To be broke. I remember being a student and saying that every Friday. It just means having no money at all in that moment.
We have all been there, Leila. Now, let's talk about the shops. How do you find a good discount?
I always wait for the sales, especially at the end of the season. And if I buy something that is broken or doesn't work, I always go back and ask for a refund.
Good for you. Never be afraid to ask for your money back if the product isn't right. Now, let's move to a slightly more serious word. Debt.
Debt. The B is silent, right? Like debt.
Exactly. Debt is money that you owe to someone else, like a bank or a credit card company. It can be very stressful if you have too much of it.
That's why I try to live within my means. That's a great phrase, isn't it? It means you only spend what you actually have.
Live within your means. I love that. Now, Wolfpack, let's look at some idioms. Leila, what do you say when something is extremely expensive?
I would say that costs an arm and a leg.
Yes. Or you can say, I want that watch, but I don't want to break the bank. It means you don't want to spend all your savings on one thing.
And my favorite, saving for a rainy day. It means putting money aside for a surprise or an emergency in the future.
Very important. We call that an emergency fund. It gives you peace of mind. Okay, Wolfpack, it's time for the money quiz. I will describe a situation, and you guess the word or phrase. Leila will give the answer after 3 seconds. Number 1. The money you get from your work every month.
Income or salary.
Number 2. An idiom that means something is very, very expensive.
To cost an arm and a leg.
Number 3. A plan for how you spend your money.
A budget.
Number 4, to spend less money than you earn.
To live within your means.
Number 5, to get your money back for a bad product.
A refund.
Excellent! You are becoming masters of your own economy. Leila, thank you so much for being such a great and frugal guest today.
Thank you, Professor. It was so much fun. I hope the wolf pack feels more confident talking about their finances now.
I am sure they do. And now it's time for your wolf pack homework.
Go to the comments and tell us, what is the best bargain you ever found? Or tell us, what are you saving for a rainy day?
I can't wait to read your answers. Stay curious, stay frugal, and keep talking. This is Professor Wolfizzle and Leila signing off.
Bye-bye, everyone. Happy saving!